Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. These are the coolest camping lights. Have you ever seen anything like them? I hadn't, and I'm so glad that I found them. I love the look of delicate twinkle lights, but delicate things and camping don't really go together, so I'm so glad that these just have a delicate look, but are actually really durable. The different settings make them so versatile too. If you just want a soft light to read by or hang out in, they look so beautiful. But if you need the brighter light to set up the inside of your tent or to find the bug that just crawled over you, it's bright enough for that too. I've never had twinkle lights that were easy to set up and didn't tangle, but the plastic on these doesn't kink up and they wind in and out so smoothly. So they're really easy to set up and take down. It fits in the palm of your hand, so if you need to use it as a flashlight outside of your tent, you can do that too. You'll never love a set of camping twinkle lights more than these from HAMLITE. And that's my point of view.